Okay then guys, so what is going on? Welcome back to another video on the Finance Forest YouTube channel. Today we've got a little bit of a different video for you. We're going to be discussing how you can make your own YouTube channel, set it all up and the steps that you will need to take with the thought process of what content you're going to create. So if you are new around here, then please do subscribe. Please like the video if you do enjoy. And yeah, I mean, let's get straight into it. Okay, so YouTube over the last couple of years has become more of a career than an actual career. And I'll explain what I mean by that in just a moment. So YouTube is just great with the potential of how much money you can make from a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not saying that you should do YouTube entirely for the money. That's not the case. You should do it for the passion. Video editing is quite therapeutic, I find, and just being able to help people with your content is great. You know, I have some really good feedback with my content, and that's why I make these videos like they are. I try and make them as fun as possible. I try and get out and about different scenes and stuff like that. I'm trying to improve my content all the time. Now, I'll put some earnings examples on the screen of just how much people are making from their videos. As you can see, they're making thousands and thousands of dollars every month and every year. Now, people are making thousands of dollars per month, right? And they're making more than what they were in, you know, a full-time job. So YouTube has the potential. You just need the potential to be able to set up a successful YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into the first step of becoming a YouTuber, and you need to plan out your content. You need to decide what sort of a YouTuber you're going to be, okay? So you could be a gaming YouTuber, a vlogger, a finance channel, a lifestyle channel, or even an ASMR channel, okay? So you need to decide what content you want to upload, and you've got to have some rules when uploading this content. You can't just upload anything and expect it to go viral, because 9 times out of 10 that's not going to be the case. YouTube is a very, very difficult platform, but as long as you do your research, you can for some reason make it easy. But you need to be able to have the effort to do so, to put the research in and just, you know, have a bit of motivation and trust in yourself to be able to learn something new. Now, I have this rule, okay, when I upload my content, it has to be one of these 3 different things: either fun, interesting, or useful. And what I mean by useful is the information going to be useful to the viewer? So like at the moment, I'm uploading a how to start a YouTube channel video. And you guys will find this useful. Of course you will, because obviously people that aren't aware of how to create a channel will be coming onto this video and seeing how you can set up a successful YouTube channel. You know, I would class myself at the moment as a semi-successful YouTuber. You know, I haven't hit the requirements to be able to make any money as of yet. But, you know, we are well on the way and we're well on track to doing so. Now, that brings us on to the next part, okay? Making money on YouTube. There is some requirements, okay? And we're going to break those down now. So you must have over 4,000 hours of watch time, over the last 12 months. 1,000 subscribers, no copyright strikes, and you must have a Google AdSense account. Now, I will list all the requirements down on the screen, but YouTube just wants you to be able to settle down into YouTube, have a viewer or a subscriber base, and they want to make sure that you're not uploading copyrighted content, because this can be illegal and certainly not great for your channel. You can get sued for it, and you can go to court for using other people's content. So YouTube don't want to be paying you when potentially you could be using somebody else's content. But I'll put all the requirements down on the screen now. So there's the first 2 steps. We've got planning what content you want to make and the requirements for getting monetized and making money on YouTube. So now we've decided what YouTuber we're going to be and what content we're going to make for our viewers. We now need to do some research. Research is important because you need to understand what similar YouTubers are doing right from wrong. You need to take note of what is working for them, and you need to understand how you can physically construct your videos. Okay, so obviously there's filming the video like we're doing now, there's editing the video and uploading the video. Now, obviously, in this video, I'm not going to upload, clips of how you can edit your video, how you can construct it, record it, etc. I can do that by all means in a separate video. We're just talking about how you can set up a YouTube channel. Obviously, in a moment, I will jump over to my computer and show you how you can set the whole thing up. But obviously, you need to understand what it takes to make a video, okay? Because it's not just as easy as whacking out the camera and uploading it straight to YouTube. There's editing involved, there's ways of recording, and the quality types as well. So you've got like 720p, 1080p, 4K. I like to try and record in 4K because that's what I can do with the device that I use to record. But yeah, I mean, the more you research, the more professional you will look. As I said, your first 25 to 50 videos will absolutely stink, okay? They won't be particularly that great, but that's how you develop and become a professional YouTuber. You go from the bottom and you work your way up. So yeah, that is another tip. Research, research, research. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dive into my computer and we're going to have a look at what it takes to set up a YouTube channel and what sort of things we need to look into. So I'll see you over there. So I'm currently here on my Mac, and what we're going to do is we're going to spend a bit of time together constructing and building and setting up a YouTube channel, okay? So this part of the video will be very raw because I want you to understand the effort and the process that you will need to take when you go ahead and do this yourself. So if you've already done this process, then by all means you can skip it on to the next step. But I would recommend that you stay around because I've got a couple of tips for you guys to make your life easier when you're setting up the channel. Okay, so with YouTube then, you need to set up a Gmail account in order to have an account on YouTube or a channel on YouTube as such. And you can do this for free. You can go onto Google or onto YouTube and just press create account. You put in your personal details and you verify it. And once you've done that, it will look something like this with an icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now, if you click that, you will get all of these settings here. But what we need is create a channel. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a YouTube name. We're just going to put this as Test Finance Forest, okay, because obviously we don't want it to merge with the channel that we currently got here. And we need to create an icon, okay? And by doing that, what you can do is go onto YouTube, and this will be the icon that represents, it will kind of like be your emblem of your channel. So you can go onto Canva and you can create a design. So what you can do is create a 500 by 500 pixel design, and it should look like something like this. And it's completely free. There is a premium version, but you know, you can create an emblem pretty well with Canva. It's just a drag and drop sort of thing. And once you've done that, what you can do is share, download, and you can pick your image file. So we want it as a like a PNG and press download. So once we've done that, what we can do then is go onto YouTube, press upload picture, go over to desktop and upload the image that we just created. Now, as you can see, that is now uploaded, and we can create the YouTube channel, and it should load into something that looks a bit like this. So this is currently the basic template of a YouTube channel. We currently don't have a banner, but we're going to be replicating the same process with Canva in a moment's time. So what we can do is we can customize channel, and it will take us to a page that looks a little bit like this. So it'll say, welcome to the YouTube Studio. Now, the YouTube Studio is basically a portal where you can control every aspect of your channel. you can create a trailer for people that haven't subscribed. So as soon as they click onto your link, you know, they will be greeted with a trailer. So it would normally be you saying, what is going on, guys? My name's Harry. Welcome to the Finance Forest. This is the content that I have created. And then you could have a montage of the content that you create. You can do a featured video for, you know, returning subscribers. You can put your content into different sections. But where we need to go is the branding. Now, we need a banner to go up the top of our channel to basically represent the content that we create. Now, you can come over to Canva again, and if you put in YouTube channel, it will come up with so many different templates that you can use or edit to make a YouTube channel art. So let's say, for example, we are going to use something like this. You can click onto it. You can change the color of it. So let's try and highlight all of this. And let's try and change it to green. Okay. And let's say, for example, if we wanted to remove anything, we can do. You just need to click on it like that and press backspace. And we can change this text over to the Finance Forest. We can put daily finance and crypto news, new video every day. And let's say, for example, if this was the finished product, which I know it's not, but for example terms, obviously we're going to pretend that it is. You can download it as a PNG and it will look something like that. And then it will download there for you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just upload that onto our channel. So you press upload on the banner image, you click on your channel art, and basically what you can do then is edit it in line. But at the moment it's not currently in line, but doesn't matter, we can view that in just a moment. So let's publish that, let's view our channel, and let's see what it looks like. So yeah, I mean, you know, very basic channel art, but you can spend more time into, you know, let's say, for example, making it look more nicer than what I've just currently done. So what we've got now is the basic info. So you need to write a description about your channel. So, hey guys, so I put, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to the Finance Forest YouTube channel. This channel is a test channel for video purposes on our main channel. Okay, so you just give a bit of an insight to your viewers as to what the channel's about, how many times you're going to be uploading, and you know what your goals are with the channel, really. You can then add other links to other social media pages that you may have. You can provide your subscribers with an email, should you want to provide them with an email, just in case they want to contact you. Now, this is a great way as well when you get big enough for companies to contact you for sponsorships. And that is another great way of how you can make money on YouTube. Sponsorships are, you know, limitless really with what you can do. You normally see people say, you know, this next part of our video is sponsored by Squarespace, and then what they will do is they'll talk a little bit about Squarespace and then they'll carry on with their video. That is a sponsorship. It's like a product placement, but it's a great way of making your YouTube channel profitable. So once we've done all that, we can press publish and it will publish it onto the channel. But I'm going to show you around the dashboard a little bit. So if you click dashboard, it will show us our video analytics. Obviously, we don't currently have any content at the moment, and that's what it's saying, is it's saying upload a video. We've got our content. So when you upload a video, this is where it will show you like the comments, likes versus dislikes, views, and so on and so forth. You will have the playlists. Obviously, if you make different categories of content, you can, you know, put the videos into a playlist, and you can view your analytics for all of your videos combined, including real time, comments, subtitles, pretty much self-explanatory. Copyright, this will show you if any of your videos have got copyright claims, which is something that you need to avoid, by the way, if you want to try and get monetized, as you can see from this tab here. So you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 required watch hours. You need to turn on the two-step verification for the account to make sure that it is secure, and you don't need you don't really want any copyright strikes. And you can click here and it will say notify me when I'm eligible. So when you're eligible, YouTube will send you an email that you can simply just apply to be able to be monetized on YouTube. So as soon as you get to that point, they'll email you and you can apply. We've got customization, and this is obviously going back to what we was on earlier, and the audio library. Very useful, by the way, if you want some non-copyrighted music. Just saves you getting any copyright strikes should you accidentally put a copyrighted music or audio into your video. So that is pretty much it for setting up the channel. Okay, I'm going to end off the video with some useful tips for you guys, so stick around. But I'm glad that we've been able to sort that with you guys and just walk you through that. Let me know down in the comments what you think and whether you have any questions. Obviously, if you do have any questions, let me know. But let's finish off with some nice tips for you guys. Okay, so it's very important that on YouTube you have an upload schedule. Now, I would recommend trying to upload every couple of days, even if it's like 3 to 4 times a week, because obviously you want to keep your subscribers engaged. And if you don't, you won't gain subscribers and your channel won't get very many views. Just remember that obviously the more times you upload, the more your channel is going to grow and has a better chance of growing. But don't upload too many times, because this can cause subscribers to get frustrated and unsubscribe from you. If you upload videos like this one, make sure you have different camera angles to keep the viewers engaged. Okay, if you have different environments and you move around and be experimental with your camera angles, it will keep your viewers engaged. So make sure you do everything you possibly can to engage your audience. Make sure you set some realistic goals, okay? So believe in the work that you're carrying out, and let's try and think about where you want to be in the next 6 to 12 months. Do you want to have 1,000 subscribers in 6 months? Do you want to have 10,000 subscribers in 12 months? Have a look at what's realistic, see what's around you and see what other people have achieved, and set your own targets. The more that you keep motivated, the better it will be for your channel moving forward. And remember, motivating your audience is one of the main things that you need to do. Fantastic, you've started uploading content on your YouTube channel, but how is your audience going to find you? You need to think of ways of marketing your videos. You can do this by sharing the videos on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You've got to find a way of being able to find an audience. The audience, yes, can find you through the YouTube search, which is great, but there's so much that goes into the algorithm of YouTube. You need to be able to post your videos across the internet to allow an audience to find you. And once you start gaining subscribers, people will start sharing your videos and it will make things a lot easier. So think about how you're going to market your videos. Think about how you're going to pick up those views and create a plan. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Starting a YouTube channel and picking up some good tips throughout the way. If you do have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. But please like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and let me know if you want to see content like this again in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.